Oh, you want that in?
Yeah, and a little bit down.
Okay, so you're gonna do it with this knob.
This knob here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scroll it up and down and then turn it. That's good. You're good?
So left front wheel, like come down here, stay here in the middle, but
Yep.
so the block's over into here.
Okay.
Stay, and then up here, start coming down. Take your time. While you're braking, once you do the braking, look at that far cone all the way up there.
Up there.
Reverse the straight over. And wait. Come in. And I want you to be like on this. See right here? Yeah. And then come in. Now here, this turn is kind of a slow turn. If you screw up, then it so come here, do all your braking.
Yeah.
Wait, look into the turn to come here.
Yep.
See right here, look. So now here, it's a straight shot. Wait, look into the stuff here. So then when you hit it right, then it's kind of a straight shot coming out of here.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Wait here, and then come in.
Okay.
Like that, just like that, if a better angle coming in. like real close to it, like, you know, the white line, you know what I mean? Just keep it real clean.
Yeah, I mean, we can swap real fast.
Yeah, good.
At least one lap. Yeah, you got that late start.
Sorry. It's all good. There we go. It's how quick can I put on a seatbelt?
Dude, we're gonna have the whole day. I'll work with you. You know what I mean? So don't, you know.
There we go. Sweet.
All right, deep breath and okay.
Yeah, go for it. Even when he tells you just come out here, yeah, go. You're good. I just want you to show me the same line, yes. But you don't have to go real fast or anything, you know what I mean? The tires really didn't get that hot, you know what I mean? Because we were taking it easy. So, you know, take that in consideration. Straight. Good. And you'll let the Audi go by on the straightaway.
I'll go left.
Yeah, go and then come back. No, come back. Sorry. Okay. Next time,
go on the other
let
side.
him go. Next time, do the line, come back in and let him pass on your left. Because at least you know you got back on the line and let him go off the line. You know what I mean? Good, close, nice. You don't have to hug it too much. Just here, hug it, bring it in. And then kind of look. Oh, no, I didn't mean it that way. Sorry.
Okay.
I meant
Okay,
like get close, get close.
Nah.
I didn't mean to bring it in. I mean bring it close to the.
Yeah, my bad.
Yeah.
I think it's checker anyway.
You already got the checker. Let's go back.
Just all the way in.
Let's go in.
Yeah.
We'll have plenty of time to work together. But you know you were hitting it. So the thing is, when you go out there, you just can't go like balls out, because otherwise you're losing all the concentration on trying to go super fast. So you know, get used to go on this side. So when we come in, you're all the way here. So in case the bikes come this way, they're
Yep.
But you know, I'll go with you. You drive. At least you saw what I'm doing.
Yep.
And that late entry, and you know, you'll get it. You know.
Yep. You want me to drop you off and then I'll go
charge? Do you want to go charge?
Yeah.
Go straight charge. I'll go with you. Cool. Yeah, because like that, you know, it's charging. You know.
No.
Can you go straight through here? Look.
Yeah.
You'll just go slow here. That's it. Because then you're over here.
Yeah. Everybody always parks in front of me.
Yeah, you know, people don't know.
Thank you. We're not going to send the bikes for a little bit, so finish your coffee and donuts.
There we go.
I could use some more coffee. Grab help, we'll deliver it. Control to Glenn.
The car feels awesome, dude.
Thanks.
Yeah, hold on. Close the windows because it's
drizzling.
drizzling.
Good point.
How do I open it? Right
Yeah, just press the button.
Awesome. We'll go out together again.
Yep.
Control